All right, so let's just log in here and see what we've made. We've got $466 in the last 30 days. And if we just look at the all-time earnings here, we can see we've got $21,394. And you can see there's consistent sales basically every single day. And guys, this is just one of the many products that I promote. For example, here is a smaller affiliate program that I've been promoting. You can see I've made just $34 this month, but my lifetime earnings are almost $4,000. And there's just a couple more stats that you can pause and see here. And I'll show you how to get free traffic to your affiliate links in this video, just like what I've been doing. Look at this. I've referred 2,000 leads to this account. So I've sent thousands of clicks for free. Here are some of the stats from my link tracking software. You can see that I'm sending thousands of clicks to various offers. And guys, one of the easiest ways that anyone can start today and start driving traffic is Threads. Threads.com is the link that you can go to sign up and get your account on Threads. And it's absolutely killing it in all niches. Have a look at the sort of engagement that you can get in various niches. For example, if you go to lose weight, you will see that there are posts that literally get thousands and thousands of likes, hundreds and dozens of comments. I mean, we can see here, this simple post has had 29.7 likes and 1.2 thousand comments. If we open this up, it has had 645,000 views with just a couple of sentences and a couple of photos. I'm going to share some of my own personal results later on in this video. And guys, I'm going to share this ChatGPT prompt with you that is basically going to do 99% of the work for you and create these viral thread posts. This is exactly what I have been doing to get traffic. So you want to know how to drive traffic to affiliate links. So you probably already know what product you're going to promote. If not, then here is a list of great niches which will work great with this method that I'm about to show you. Also check the links below in the description of this video if you need some help choosing affiliate offers to promote. And you can honestly promote anything you want on Threads, but for this video, let's just focus on weight loss niche for Threads. So if we type in lose weight into Threads, you're gonna get a bunch of posts that are gonna give you some ideas on the type of content that actually does well. So you can go ahead and sign up to your new threads.com account. You can link it to your Instagram account or just register with your mobile number. Make sure that under privacy, you choose public profile. Let's click next. Then go on the left-hand side to your profile, and from here you can edit it. So this is your default profile, but if you click here, edit profile, you can change all of this information. Of course, you should change the username and the name to suit your brand or to suit your niche. For bio, I'm just going to put for now Coffee Addict Health Chaser. And you can jump over into ClickBank to find some high converting products that pay a lot if you don't know what to promote yet. I'm actually just here and I've seen this offer. This is very topical for me because sometimes having 2 kids, sometimes I struggle to sleep at night. So something that helps me sleep would actually work really, really well for me. So look at this, sleep like a rock until the sun comes up. That's a pretty good offer. It's a $90 product and you get a 50% commission, 100% digital or 50% physical. So earnings per click, they're saying $1.12. So we could position our page around sleep advice. That's pretty good. So just click here to get your affiliate link. And I'm going to use this app called Bitly to shorten it because most likely your link is going to be ugly like this and you don't want to put that into any descriptions. It just looks so spammy. So we're going to click here, create your Bitly link. Then you're going to click this button over here to edit it. You can say edit back half. Let's see if bit.ly/sleep like a rock is available. All right, it is available. So sleep like a rock is going to be our link. So let's grab that. And just under here, we're back in Threads. Let's add our link. So we're going to put this URL over here and we can just put this, need help sleeping, me too. This helps, and put this arrow up like that. Now listen, one thing that I just do want to say that in general, you want to make sure that you're promoting a product that you actually have researched and believe in. Okay, don't promote something that you think is scammy or spammy. I'm not a fan of this. I'm just giving you this product as an example. But assuming this is a good product and you can go in and look at the ingredients and the reviews, you know, this is how we're going to promote this. All right, we're going to change the bio a bit. It's going to say Coffee Addict, Health Chaser, Sleep Enthusiast. This helps people sleep, and the down arrow. All right, so now let's just take a look how it looks. Okay, so we've got this Coffee Addict, Health Chaser, Sleep Enthusiast. This helps people sleep, and we've got our link bit.ly sleep like a rock. So if someone clicks this, it's going to take them to the sales page where they can read all this information and buy this sleeping aid. Then I recommend that you type in something like how to sleep better or something else that is related to the niche that you're going to be promoting, and study the post. Just spend maybe 20-30 minutes going through this and just to get some idea, get familiar with it and see what actually works well on Threads. You're going to start seeing similarities. I mean, look at this. Dr. Sam, sleep doctor, I asked you for your most unhinged sleep hacks, not chamomile tea, melatonin. Okay, and we can have a look at it. This has had 1.8 million views in less than a year. 1.8 million views, 1.8 thousand comments. So I mean, clearly this works amazingly well. And this person, Dr. Sam, you can see that they're promoting their school.com link and they're selling probably their course or running some kind of a membership here. Well, here is what happens. So whenever someone sees these posts, and I mean, she's had 1.8 million people engage with this post. Okay, a large percentage of them will click through to the profile, and of course a lot of them will go and check out this link over here as they're reading this description. All right, so we see some others, how to sleep better tonight. Okay, so you can see that this person is promoting and she's actually got 473,000 followers, okay, that she's built on Threads. There's another example of a thread that has had, let's see how many, 3.1 thousand views, but the engagement here has been very good, 171 likes and 27 comments. So just get familiar with this. Very soon you will have a really good idea of what works on Threads. Now your job basically is to post engaging content, and Threads is very powerful because with Threads, it's okay to post 10, 12 times a day. You'll see a lot of people doing this. Take a look at this person, Dr. Pinchinat. We can see that she's based in Canada and she's posting many times a day, and each of her posts has had a lot of engagement, many likes, many comments. So it's time for you to start posting. You need to get over here and click a new thread. And this is where the fun starts. You can actually start posting content and start driving people to your affiliate link. So guys, now I'm going to share with you the ChatGPT prompt that will help you drive traffic with very little involvement from you, and it will get that traffic from threads.com. So this is the prompt. You can actually download the whole prompt. Just click the links in the description below and I'll share this prompt with you. It's very, very detailed and it will give you incredible results. So let me show you. Let me just open a new chat here and let's put in this prompt, copy and paste. So I'm telling ChatGPT, you are my Threads content strategist and conversion focused social media writer. Very, very important. So ChatGPT is actually going to play a content strategist role for you. Your task is to help me build a credible Threads account. So you can read all of this. So I'm basically instructing it very, very clearly on what I wanted to do. I'm saying, do not generate any posts yet. First, interview me by asking these questions one at a time. Then it's going to ask you the questions and you're going to answer all of these questions for it. And after you've answered these questions, then it's going to build the content strategy for you. It's going to create a 30 post content bank, and it's going to create these types of posts for you. So they are the ones that are proven to work: post type, content pillar, complete post, optional CTA, and why it should interest this particular audience. You're going to get all of this out of ChatGPT. Then it will create additional engagement material for you. It will create 10 short replies that you could leave, different follow-up questions, and so forth. So this is all going to make a lot of sense for you once you see it, and you're going to build a 30-day schedule with this. Okay, so what niche or subject do you want to create content about? Well, it's going to be a sleep aid to help people sleep better. It's asking me an additional question, so I'm going to say supplement. Who specifically do you want to help? Well, I want to help everybody. So I'm just going to answer these questions one by one. All right, so it says, what might you recommend? All right, well, there you go. So it's now got the full content strategy prepared for you. You can take a look at all of this. It's even suggested the possible bios that you can just copy and paste if you want, or you can get some ideas from them that you can use on your threads.com account. It's listed your audience questions as well as conversation-worthy angles. And now you've got your actual posts that you can basically copy and paste onto your threads.com account. So we'll have a useful list post. We'll have a conversation starting question. We'll have a step-by-step mini tutorial. And you should cycle through these different post types in order to get the maximum engagement from your audience. For example, we can start with post type common mistake post. And we can just copy and paste this. It says a common sleep mistake: changing everything after one bad night. he can read this whole thing. Okay, so we can just take this and we can create this new thread and just copy and paste and basically post it. And now this is done. This is going to go out into the threads.com world, and through the algorithms, it's going to find its audience eventually. Now you need to be consistent. I recommend to post at least 5 to 10 times per day. And you can actually use a tool. One of my favorite is buffer.com, which allows you to automate and schedule the posts on social media. You can just connect to your Threads account. As you can see, it works with Threads as well as all of these other ones. And it will allow you to connect just one account for free. And you can schedule 10 posts ahead of time. So it's enough to get started. And then go through the output of this ChatGPT prompt and basically just take these posts and schedule them to be posted through the day. This is how I've grown several accounts on threads.com to thousands of followers. But I also really want to show you one more super cool way to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And go ahead and watch this video next. It's going to give you a completely different way, but also a very powerful way to drive even more traffic to your affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, subscribe below, hit the like button, and watch this video next. Thanks a lot. My name is Greg. I'll see you in the next video.